First up, the Pomodoro Technique. This method involves working for 25 minutes, then taking a 5-minute break. After 4 cycles, take a longer break. Studies show that breaking tasks into smaller chunks helps maintain focus and prevents burnout. Try it. It's a game changer. Your dream car is closer than you think. Start your journey today and drive into a brighter tomorrow. Next, the Eisenhower Matrix. This tool helps you prioritize tasks by dividing them into 4 categories: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and neither. Focus on what truly matters and let go of the rest. Time blocking is another powerful hack. Schedule specific blocks of time for each task or activity. This helps you stay organized and ensures you dedicate time to your most important tasks. A cluttered workspace can lead to a cluttered mind. Take a few minutes to organize your desk and remove distractions. A clean environment can boost focus and creativity. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. This simple rule helps you tackle small tasks before they pile up and become overwhelming. Multitasking might seem efficient, but studies show it reduces productivity by up to 40%. Focus on one task at a time to get better results in less time. Use technology to your advantage. Automate repetitive tasks like email responses, bill payments, or social media posts. This frees up time for more important work. The Pareto principle, or 80-20 rule, states that 80% of results come from 20% of efforts. Identify the tasks that yield the most results and focus on them. Productivity starts with you. Get enough sleep, exercise regularly, and eat healthy. A healthy body and mind are essential for peak performance. Finally, take time to reflect on your day. What worked, what didn't. Use this insight to adjust your approach and improve over time. And there you have it. 10 productivity hacks to help you get more done in less time. Try these tips and watch your efficiency soar. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.